I'm just about to reveal how you guys can make money online by selling digital products on WarriorPlus, so let's get started. In other words, I'm gonna show you how you can start earning commissions over and over again. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and pretend that we've made tens of thousands of dollars on WarriorPlus because that is not true. I've personally made about $500 on the platform so far, but the crazy part about this whole thing is that I've put little to no effort into it. This is literally passive income, so let me explain. To put it very simply, all I did was just integrate some affiliate links in the description of some of my videos on the YouTube channel, right? So whenever somebody watched the video, they could click on that link and purchase one of these products. We basically partnered up with 3 different sellers and then started earning these commissions. But the effort that I put into it was literally minimal. I didn't plan the strategy. I didn't take hours to create that content. I literally placed the affiliate link in the description and that's all it took to make $500. But that got me wondering, had I been more purposeful with it, had I built an actual strategy that is proven to work, and had I invested more time into this process, I could have probably made a lot more money. And that's why I decided to record this video, to show you guys how you can make a lot more than $500 on the platform if you have the time and if you have the energy to invest into it. Now, just as a quick disclaimer here, I do understand that most of you probably don't have a YouTube channel or a huge TikTok page or an Instagram page with tens of thousands of followers. That is understandable, so I'm not gonna expect that you have that. Instead, I'm gonna show you how you can start earning commissions from scratch, even if you don't have a huge source of traffic, even if you don't have a huge social media presence. In other words, anyone can make this work as long as they understand the mechanics behind this whole thing and they really understand the business model. So let's explore it. Let's dive a little bit deeper and see what's actually happening behind the scenes. Once again, the platform we're talking about is called WarriorPlus.com, and I'm not gonna waste your time with the sign-up process because that's really easy. However, once you've successfully connected to WarriorPlus and set up your account, what you wanna do is head over to the marketplace and start browsing through their products. And there is no shortage of products here. All of them are digital. In other words, we are talking about courses, ebooks, things of that kind, even coaching programs. However, I would recommend that you go for some of the top sellers. These products are already proven to work, people have already sold thousands of these items, and it's far easier to get started. For instance, this is one of the products that's made me hundreds of dollars. So let me show you what it's all about. Well, this is a system that is supposed to pay you a lot of money for completing very easy tasks, such as browsing websites like YouTube and Facebook. Now, again, just a quick disclaimer, I do not personally know whether or not this actually works, but it sounds really enticing, doesn't it? A method that allows people to make money online with very little effort. It doesn't get any better than that. So these guys have done a great job in terms of their marketing. And that's why I decided to just test out, grab my affiliate link and just place that in the description to see whether or not I can actually get any commissions. And as you've just seen, we did. However, we didn't take full advantage of the process. Now, let me show you the strategy we used. Let's just pick one of these random videos on the channel, right? Let's go for this one, how to make money on eBay in 2022. What I used to do was record the video and then add a short integration towards the end of the clip. And it would sound something like this. This is how you can make money on eBay in 2022, but if you don't really like that method or you want to try something else, well, here's another option you have. And I would go ahead and browse through this website and basically just review it. I would just read some of the text on the webpage and show people how they can connect to the website and purchase this product if they wanted to. And then I would have an affiliate link in the description. It wasn't the smartest strategy, it didn't take a lot of effort, it literally took 1 minute of my time. But it was able to generate some commissions, which goes to show it worked. But let me show you a far more efficient way of going about it. As you can see, this product is called browseandbank.com, right? So let's just look it up on YouTube. Well guys, here's something pretty interesting. If you search for Browse and Bank, as you might expect, you will find a bunch of reviews. These are videos posted by regular people. They don't necessarily have hundreds of thousands of followers, as you can see, but they've got pretty good engagement. Some of these videos have tens of thousands of views. And most of these channels probably have affiliate links in the description as well. But now, let's just take a step back and try to understand what's going on here. Let's take this video, for example. So this content creator has taken about 15 minutes of their time to record a full review of this platform, right? They're basically just sharing their opinion about this program. Now, let's say that you're someone who's considering purchasing this, right? But you are not quite sure yet. So you go over to YouTube and you search for a review just to get a second and then a third opinion to make sure that you make an informed purchase. That's what's going on. Well, you will probably end up clicking on one of these videos and watching them all the way through. If the review managed to convince you that the product is actually worth your time and money, you will probably make a purchase through their affiliate link. In other words, 5,000 people who are interested in the product ended up clicking on this video and then most likely clicking on that affiliate link as well. And let's just say that this guy only had a 1% conversion rate. That is about 50 sales with a single video that took 15 minutes of their time. It doesn't get any better than that. Now, as you can see, these commissions can vary a lot. You can get as little as $4 and as much as $20 for a single sale, depending on which program those people go for. So as you can spot, there are quite a few different options. So let's just go with an average of $10. 50 sales at $10 each, that is $500 with a single video. And let's just say that I exaggerated the numbers, right? Even if they only got half of that, that's still $250 with a single video that took 15 minutes of their time. And they didn't have to record their face. This is a faceless YouTube review. They're probably using a tool such as OBS Studio, which is the one I'm using right now to record this video. And it allows you to record your voice while at the same time recording the screen of your computer. So you can just go through that web page and basically just read out loud whatever is written there. It works with any operating system. It's not that difficult to install and anyone can use it. It's also free of charge. And this might actually be one of the best ways you can make money with affiliate marketing, especially on WarriorPlus. There are hundreds of similar offers to this one, so you don't necessarily have to stop at promoting a single product. You can go ahead and join multiple other affiliate programs as we did and generate commissions with each and every single one of them. You can take your time, and I'm talking about 15 minutes of your time and no longer than that, to record a video that is an honest review of the platform, post it on your YouTube channel even if you don't have any subscribers, because what ends up happening is that you will eventually rank up on keywords. As you can see, if I search for browse and bank, we've got a pretty good volume with a very low competition, and the average number of views is about 4,000, which is not so bad. What does that mean in practice? Well, even if you don't have a subscriber base, chances are your video might rank on YouTube search and you might still be able to get some traffic without too much effort. And remember, once you're done with that, once you've recorded your video about browse and bank, you can move back over to WarriorPlus, head over to the marketplace, choose the top products, and then just move on to the next one, and then the next one, and then keep on going until you have promoted each and every single one of these offers. And once you're done with the top 10 bestsellers of today, you can head over to all the products and pick some of those as well. Volume is the answer here. The more videos you put out, the more money you can make. And think about it this way. You only have to put in the effort once to record those videos and post them. They will start ranking up on YouTube search as time passes, and I can assure you of that. You may not get millions of views, but you'll probably get a few hundred or a few thousand on each and every single one of those reviews. And after a certain point, it's a passive stream of income because you don't have to record content anymore. You've only done the work once, and then you get to collect the fruit of your labor for several months down the road, which is what affiliate marketing is all about. However, there is one drawback when it comes to WarriorPlus, and I'm gonna be 100% truthful. You see, in order to partner up with all of these products, you do need to send in an application. So it is not just a matter of clicking a button and getting your link right away. You need to send an application to the seller and have them accept it. Let me show you how that works. Let's just pick one of these ones at random, such as this Phoenix Reloaded program, whatever that is, and let's see what we need to do to qualify. You need to head over to the affiliate section and then select offers. And this is where you can request the approval for various programs. What you may want to do is actually sort them and add some filters to make sure that they have a good conversion rate so you can convert as much of your traffic as possible. This would be a good example. Then you also got to make sure that the visitor value is pretty high. The average sale amount is also high. Again, this is just a perfect example here with over 1,000 sales, a 29% conversion rate, and an average sale amount of $45, which is quite significant. So let's just click on the request button and see how that goes. And here's what happens next. That's going to take you to some sort of overview page where you can read more about the program and really understand what's going on and what kind of other offers they have in the backend. But most significantly, you can send in an application to the seller. So here's what you do next. You need to click on this button that says request approval, and that will allow you to add in your request notes or just click on request offer without sending in any notes. As you can see, that is optional. However, you gotta understand that most of these sellers are very picky when it comes to the affiliate marketers they accept. So you need to do your best here. You need to actually describe the strategy you're going to use. So here's what you want to say. I'm going to record YouTube video reviews of your program. I'm going to purchase your program first. You can also do that. It's not going to cost you a lot. I'm going to make sure that my videos rank up on YouTube search so they get enough traffic. And then I'm going to send the traffic to my affiliate link thus promoting your platform. You can keep it very short and simple, straight to the point, basically describing your strategy, right? Then click on request offer and the seller will receive that message. If everything goes according to plan, they should be able to accept your approval within a few days. But you're not just gonna wait for that to happen. In the meantime, you can send as many of these requests as possible just to make sure that you actually get accepted. Now, if you want to skip over this approval process and basically just get the affiliate link instantaneously, there's another thing you can do. You can instead connect to digistore24.com. Now, this is another affiliate marketplace. It's a different one, but they have hundreds of digital products at your disposal in various different niches. All you gotta do to promote the program is just click on promote now, and that will give you an affiliate link within seconds with no application needed. So it's a more beginner-friendly option. However, WarriorPlus has got some really generous affiliate programs that I would suggest that you take advantage of. Again, you can earn as much as $45 with a single product sale, and that is quite significant if you ask me. That's why I would highly recommend that you try to at least apply for some of these programs and get accepted. Then go ahead and record these platform reviews. Make sure to add in your affiliate link in the description and enjoy the commissions. That's it for now, and thanks for watching.